Well, Priyank, as far as the information that is now coming in, as far as the pilot is concerned, he's been rescued. So as far as when it comes to the details of, we don't know when it comes to his state of injuries as well that he may have suffered. But right now what we are getting to know that the pilot has been injured and he's been rescued.
Fortunate news, Amita, because the condition of the pilot is yet to be known to us, but the manner in which this aircraft crash has happened. What we have got to know that the 5 charred bodies have all been taken out from the debris. The flight condition is looking very bad. It was full of smoke. It was full of fire. There was a massive explosion sound which was also heard by people who were very near to the airport. And while talking about this incident, since we know that it is right behind this particular international airport, there were visuals which are also showing that those people who were trying to board the flight could also see the smoke right behind it. This incident has happened right next to a road, so the connectivity is not an issue. But the debris are clearly showing that the rescue team have managed to separate the debris. The exact report of the casualties is yet to be known to us. There have been many individuals who were totally burned, have been shifted to the nearby government hospital.
Right.
But the manner in which this has happened.
So as far as the pilot is concerned, he's been rescued. We are getting more information to that effect. Bakshi sir, if you can see the visuals, sir, can you make out what kind of an aircraft it is? Of course, it is very difficult just to see the remains. But right now, we are getting little more information, sir. Just request you to continue to be with us. What more we are getting to know as far as the pilot rescue that has now been done. He's been now given a medical treatment. But there is another update that is now coming across over this plane crash that has now happened. Unfortunately, 5 people have lost their lives. There were said to be reportedly 19 people who were on board that aircraft. But Bakshi sir, 5 people we are reporting right now have unfortunately lost their lives. 19 people, 5 dead. However, the pilot has been rescued.